Meanwhile, some products in your medicine cabinet could become more expensive. Procter & Gamble says it's raising prices on certain grooming, beauty, and hygiene products. That's items like shampoo, razors, body wash, and others. It's to combat higher costs. P&G said the new increases will go into effect in the next 3 months. Time now 11:48. Meteorologist Rob Elvington joining us now for a final check of the weather. Rob, what can we expect on this Wednesday, middle of the day?
I mean, just about perfect for this time of the year. You'll notice here at the 11 o'clock update, 72 degrees in Huntsville. New one comes down in about 10 minutes, so maybe tack on a few more extra degrees. Just some passing clouds as we look off to the west over top of Huntsville. And what we expect in terms of temperatures, we'll hit that peak right around 3 o'clock. That's what we do about this time of the year, mid to late October. 78 degrees and still warm all the way through this upcoming evening, and also expected to stay dry all the way through this evening. It's really not until after midnight and into the overnight hours that we start to see those rain chances going up for North Alabama. So a forecast high of 78 today. Some spots could even briefly touch 80. It's about 3-5 degrees above normal for this time of the year. But that average high, it is quickly starting to drop off. By this weekend, it's already down to 73, and it continues to drop off. So these are very warm for this time of the year, even in the long range. On the way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We're not tracking any rain right now, but again, just after midnight tonight and into the overnight hours, we're going to start to see some of this moisture that is now down in central Mississippi, southern Alabama, starting to move back in, and that'll start to increase our chances for showers and even thunderstorms. So we could be tracking some cloud ground lightning even out at the bus stop tomorrow morning and for that morning commute. So go ahead and start thinking about how you can get those kids safely to school tomorrow. This is 4 o'clock here this afternoon. Just some passing clouds, dry, staying dry all the way through sunset. And then after midnight tonight and into the overnight hours, you'll notice that big slug of moisture moving in from out of the south and southwest. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And most of the data has been hinting at areas mostly near and east of I-65 that have that better chance for heavy rain and thunderstorms. You'll notice all of this closer to Gadsden, Fort Payne, and Guntersville. That could be producing some cloud ground lightning, some gusty winds, and again, the heavy rain. And then you've got some drier conditions as you head further off to the west towards the shoals. So that's round one. And you'll notice that we're pretty much wrapping up that first round of showers and storms by lunchtime tomorrow. Starting to see some sunshine breaking through. So we'll make it up to about the mid 70s for your Thursday afternoon ahead of the cold front. And what's interesting about this particular forecast model, it has that second round redeveloping right where the first round saw the heaviest rainfall. You'll notice east of I-65, closer to Huntsville, Scottsboro, Guntersville, and Fort Payne. That quickly races to the east. By about 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, that line of showers and storms starting to move into Georgia, and then we are done, and we are back to dry conditions late tomorrow night and into your Friday. Let's look at the rainfall forecast. This goes all the way through late tomorrow night, and you'll notice that where we had the blues on the map, indicating closer to about a half an inch, even closer to 3/4 of an inch in Fort Payne. That is, again, all the way through tomorrow night. We'll let this run all the way through this weekend, and then right around Monday into Tuesday, look at all that rain moving in. Now, this is not set just yet. There's a lot of differences in the forecast models, but we could be tracking some much wetter conditions by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Just something we'll have to monitor closely. We'll likely have to bump up these rain chances as we get closer to early next week. But until then, look at the weekend coming up for North Alabama. We'll go from the low 70s on Friday behind Thursday's cold front, but back up to the mid 70s on Saturday. And yeah, forecasting 80 for both Sunday and Monday. So again, very warm for this time of the year, but keeping a close eye on those rain chances by next week. Marie?
Another